Are you looking for an easy and festive drink to serve your friends this holiday season? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mocktail that will have everyone feeling merry and bright. This video will share the supplies you'll need, recommended ingredients, tips for mixing, and options for serving this delicious drink. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy holiday mocktail recipe that is perfect for any party or get-together. This drink is simple, festive, and most importantly, delicious. This recipe can be served as a mocktail or as an alcoholic beverage. Here's what you'll need to make this holiday mocktail. First, find a festive glass. We recommend using a footed highball glass like this, but an old-fashioned glass or highball will work too. You'll also want a cocktail jigger, a bar spoon for mixing, ice, and cocktail napkins. If you're making drinks for a crowd, we recommend using a pitcher. One of the best parts about this drink is that it's made with household ingredients and it's super easy to make. For one serving, you'll need 2 ounces of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of apple cider or apple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 2 ounces of ginger ale, and your garnish of choice. If you want to serve with alcohol, you'll need 1 ounce of your favorite spirit. We used whiskey. Let's get started. Here we're making 2 servings. First, you're going to fill your glasses with ice. Then we're going to add 4 ounces cranberry juice, 4 ounces apple cider, and 2 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. Top off your drink with 4 ounces of ginger ale. If you're making an alcoholic version of this beverage, you'll add 2 ounces of your whiskey or other spirit now. Then give it all a mix with your bar spoon. Okay, here's the fun part. To serve your drink, you can add a sprig of rosemary, an orange slice or orange peel, or a cinnamon stick. Get creative. My personal favorite, and what I used here, is an orange peel paired with sugared rosemary and cranberries to look like they have a dusting of snow. Want to save time? This mocktail is super easy to make in a batch too. To make a pitcher that serves 4 to 6 guests, you'll multiply the ingredients so that you have 1 cup of cranberry juice, 1 cup of apple cider or apple juice, half a cup of orange juice, 1 cup of ginger ale, and half a cup of your favorite spirit if you're making an alcoholic version. This time, you can mix the ingredients ahead of time and refrigerate, then later serve over a glass full of ice. And that's it, you're all set to serve an easy, delicious drink that everyone can enjoy this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'd also like to thank our friends over at the Love Bakes Good Cakes blog who created this delicious recipe. I'll include a link in the video description below. In the meantime, we hope you enjoy this recipe. Let us know what you think by giving us a like or letting us know whether you plan to enjoy this as a mocktail or a cocktail in the comments below. Cheers to you and happy holidays!